we're going to work on finding the area and maybe the perimeter of a trapezoid. And you should know that this sheet will be available to you during the math test. It is online, it's in a drop-down menu. So you don't need to remember or memorize any of these formulas. They're all right here. So don't memorize, just know where to find them. Here's area, perimeter, circumference, surface area, and volume. So again, we're going to find the area of a trapezoid. All right, hold on one second. Here is a trapezoid. This is the formula to find the area of a trapezoid. Area equals 1/2 times height times base 1 plus base 2. So in a trapezoid, you've got two parallel lines, the top and bottom line, perfectly parallel. The bottom is base 1, the top is base 2. Let's get going on this. We'll do this one first. We've got, and again, you're just going to take the information they give you and you're going to fill out the formula. So we have 1/2 times height, which is 2.3, times base 1, 10, plus base 2 at the top, 9. And that's what our formula looks like all filled out. 1/2 times 2.3 times 10 plus 9. Now, the really cool thing about using your calculator is it will do all of this. Let me see if I can set this up so you can see everything. All right. This button right here is your fraction button. If you press that, you're going to see it's set up for a fraction. So type in 1, arrow down, 2, arrow out. You need to arrow out, otherwise it stays in fraction mode. Next, times 2.3, times 2.3, times, and you can use your parentheses here right above the 8 and the 9, 10 plus 9, close parentheses, enter, 21.85. So the area of this trapezoid is 21.85, just like that. All right, let's do another one. We'll do this first one here, number 7. And again, here's your formula. Don't need to memorize it. It's going to be on your formula sheet. And it is 1/2 times the height, 3.5, times the sum of base 1, 12, and base 2, 5. And you can plug this into your calculator just as it's written. Your calculator will be able to handle it. If you, for some reason, have to do it by hand, here's a couple of tricks. Don't forget, you always have to do what's in the parentheses first. So in this case, we've got 12 and 5, and that is 17. And it's still going to be times 3.5. And if you want to make this a little easier, if you don't happen to have a calculator at home that does fractions, then just say 0.5. So that cleans it up just a little bit. Now you cannot use any other calculator than this one during the test. And again, there's a difference for the online test. I don't think you can use a calculator at all. You have to use the calculator online that GED provides. All right, so same thing here. We're just going to type all this in. Well, that's better. You can see that much better. clear that. We've got 0.5 times 3.5 times 17, 29.75. Now I'm going to punch it in the way it's written if it were in formula form. So I'm going to hit the fraction key right up here, ND, then the 1 at the top, make sure you arrow down, 2 for the denominator, arrow out. Then we say times 3.5 times parentheses 12 plus 5, closed parentheses, enter. Look at that. Either way, perfect. All right. Let's have you do these two on your own. So do, can I get them both in there? Yeah, do this one and this one, and then you can turn your answers in either through Messenger or you can just post them underneath the video. Have a great day, everybody. This is Dr. Robyn at Get That GED.